What's up, family? I'm gonna be showing you my thought process on every trade I take as of now on. I've realized a lot of people, when I post my trades or rather profits, they wanna really, or they're more interested in understanding how I got to the how behind. So of course my thought process is, what was I thinking to get that trade? What state of mind? What did I look for in the markets? So I'm going to be showing you exactly how I took this trade over here, and of course I will continue this and turn it into a series so that you may benefit of everything that I do. I might not be able to give you, let's say, a trade setup, but I may be able to give you knowledge. Remember, it is better to teach you how to fish than to fish for you every single day. When I've taught you, I have fed you for a lifetime. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and it's going to be packed with so much simplicity to understand exactly what really happened. Again, the market is not complex. It's just the way we view it in our minds that creates the reality of it looks complex, but it's not complex. And I'm going to show you exactly. Right, let's jump into the screen. Make sure to subscribe, like, and also follow. God bless. Okay, family, so as you can see, we are on the markets right now, and I'm gonna break down this trade that I took. Of course, it has not touched take profit yet, but it's definitely going towards it. I've secured 50% of my profit, so partials. I've already took partials as I'm actually doing this video. This is the live market, and of course also one of my students did call it out. I'll just put it on the screen right there. And it also really added up to, confluence. You teach people and they follow the exact rules, and they are more likely to get it than you who will doubt your own strategy. But that's another talk for another time in terms of trading psychology. But in this sense, family, is that structure was bearish, by the way, so I definitely look at how has structure been behaving. So if we can go, this is actually today's market structure. In the London session, well, the market did actually go for buys, and then of course this is now the New York session. But let me just break it down for you. Okay, going all the way to the M15 as we can, try to actually spot the structure. I normally just take the high and low of the chart that I'm trading in. So that's the thought process. I actually do it on the H1, but it also is quite visible on so if you can just set it to auto here, there we go. This is the highest point, or you can even take this one, but I just take the one that's quite relevant for the day. If the market breaks those highs, I know definitely then we are going to look for those ones. But the thought process is, I start taking the highs of the day that I'm trading in and the lows that I'm trading in, and therefore I also go ahead and look at what structure did. So as you can see here, it's a bit messed up, but if I just zoom it out, then you can get to see exactly what's really happening. We did have a beautiful change of character here. When the market breaks the previous lower high, then we can definitely anticipate it to be a nice, beautiful change of character. Let me show you what I'm talking about, family. So if we can zoom all the way back, in fact we can go all the way back, we can definitely see that the last lower high was actually this particular one here. I didn't want to take this one, but either way, this is the change of character that the market had actually now broke. So it broke and of course pulled back. So structure was quite active for me. That's one of the things that I actually look for in the markets. I trade according to structure. I don't want to trade opposite, I normally just follow the structure. If there is no structure that's visible, I stay back. So it was quite visible that the market was actually creating lower highs, lower lows, and of course as it creates lower lows, it actually breaks them. So a break of structure is what I needed. Don't mind the liquidity over there. We just want to make it as simple for you to understand, right? And of course, once we created a new lower high, I wanted the market to actually just give me a beautiful lower low. So what happened, of course, yesterday the market did rally and of course sold all the way, and this was now the break of structure that actually validated the structure I was trading in today. So just zoom in or zoom out a bit just to show you that. So it validated the structure that I was trading in to say, when we are getting this pullback, I definitely know that we are still going to be in a downtrend. Therefore, I took buys, I sent them to the group, to the signal group. The market played around and of course went all the way to our take profit one and told them to trail stop. From then on, I was just looking for areas where I can enter, and there was this beautiful supply that stood out, and it was not mitigated as of yet. And what I usually do when the market starts to pull back is I take my Fibonacci and I stretch it all the way to the end of the trend. So from the highest point to the lowest point of that, I'll now look for entry areas that in the premium market. So as we can understand, these are discount market, premium market. So I look for areas where I know for sure this is a premium market. Therefore, that is areas where I want to sell off. If the market turned around here, I wouldn't have sold it at this point right here, at this supply. It would have been invalid. As you can see, the market did break it and actually turned it into a demand level that pushed the market up. So I was looking for areas of supply within a premium market. And of course, that's what exactly happened over here. As we can just witness it, the market is selling all the way down, and of course what happened, the market just got in, gave me a nice rejection candle, and then from then on I was actually able to take this trade. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But I just hope you actually understand the family. So again, I'm just gonna repeat it for you. I look for a few things. I look for structure. Number one, I want to trade according to structure, intraday structure, by the way. So I trade according to what I see in the day and what is relevant for that day. So that's how I trade. So the M15 30 minutes, I look at the structure overall. Are we in cells? And therefore I also look at the validation of structure. Has the market actually now given us breaks of structure, and all of that, broken lower lows and lower highs? That's what I'm actually just looking for. And of course, even here there were added confluence of liquidity being taken. I did understand that, but I wanted to make it very much simple for you to actually grasp this and understand what was going through my mind at that moment when I was trading. Just hope this blesses you. It is actually now going towards, in the premium markets, or rather in the discount markets of my take profit areas. But so far, as I've told you guys, I've took 50% of my profits, and definitely I just hope you understand it's always about following the structure rather than trading against it. Many people want to trade against it. Trade with the structure, family. Anyway, I hope this video has blessed you so much. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and also tell your friends and family about this channel. God